Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of the healthy, high-protein, plant-based fun stuff that I bought in my Costco haul today. Everything from produce to fridge essentials to pantry items. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 5 plant-based must-have items if you're new to being plant-based or you're a vegan veteran. These are the top items that I always have in my kitchen at all times. We're gonna jump in right with all the produce. Now, I didn't get a lot of fruit. In fact, I actually didn't buy any fruit today, but we got a lot of veggies. I always get their big bags of bell peppers. I like to make vegan fajitas a lot, and we got a big bag of ginger. It is cold and flu season, y'all, so I sometimes like to juice ginger and make nasty wellness shots, which you can actually check out in my latest What I Eat in a Day if you wanna see how I knock it back to stay healthy. We got some, fridge essentials like broccoli, some asparagus and spinach. These make for quick, healthy meals. I like to just throw practically a half a bag of spinach into every soup I make these days. We are in soup season, after all. We got a big bag of potatoes, and here are some of the biggest heads of garlic I have ever seen in my whole life. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I saw them and I was like, this girl right here is a garlic lover, and I'm gonna use up these massive fist-sized cloves of garlic somehow. All right, it's time for my number 5 of my top 5 Costco picks, starting with Better Than Bouillon. This is vegetable broth paste. This is something I buy all the time. In fact, it's the only place where I buy it because you can get these big jars of it, and it's perfect for year round, but especially soup season. You plop a tablespoon of it in your soup, your stew, your chili, your sauces, whatever, and it adds so much good, rich flavor and a perfect amount of saltiness, and it's a really reasonable price at Costco. We got some fun refrigerator items like these vegetarian, actually they are accidentally vegan, spring rolls. I've bought them before, they're delicious. We got some hummus. These are just the biggest tubs of hummus you can find anywhere. And hummus is so great for healthy snacking, just with, some fresh cut celery or carrots. It's high in protein, full of fiber. Sometimes I like to make wraps with my hummus. Speaking of wraps, this is the first time I've seen these high protein wraps at Costco. These are pretty cool. They're from Bee Free. They're like an allergen friendly high protein tortilla situation, 11 grams of protein per tortilla. Moving on to number 4, quinoa. I get these bags of quinoa all the time. Quinoa is such a staple for me. I literally cook with it 2 to 3 times a week. Number 3, we got some hemp seeds, aka hemp hearts. These are nutritional powerhouses, and I literally use them every single day of my life, mostly because I sprinkle them on top of my morning oatmeal every day. Hemp seeds are really high in protein and omegas, omega-3, omega-6s, and they're just good for your brain. They're just such a great way to sprinkle in extra little bits of healthy fats and proteins into all kinds of meals. Now, you guys may have noticed that I don't have any protein powder in this Costco haul, and that's because I don't buy it from Costco anymore. I have a few of my favorite brands that I yap about all the time. 2 of them are Complement and Sprout Living. They are both really high quality, organic, totally plant-based, clean protein powders. Complement, they have by far the best vanilla and unflavored protein powder, and they use just truly whole plant food ingredients. And Sprout Living, they add so many amazing brain boosting, adaptogenic, nootropic health foods into their blends, and they're just so potent, pure, and healthy. I love them, and they have so many good flavors. Their chocolate maca and their complete coffee, especially if you like a little bit of a caffeine boost in your protein shakes, they're both great. I highly recommend both these brands. I've got sweet discount codes for you guys. If you ever want to check them out, you can see them in my description box below. And happy protein powder shopping to you. Here we have a big box of some organic coconut milk from Chaz. Love this stuff. I buy it all the time. You've probably seen me yap about it. I use it in all sorts of recipes like my yellow Thai curries, vegan tikka masala. It's thick, it's creamy, and it has a really good taste. Some cheap, low quality brands of coconut milk just have really bad flavors. This stuff is really good. I got a 2-pack of this marinara from Rayo's. They're really delicious. This stuff is super good. It's not organic, but they don't use any artificial ingredients in their sauces, which I am a-okay with. I like to just always have a couple jars of marinara on hand to make just simple pasta sauces, or I like to use this in my vegan lasagna soup. It's a really quick, easy, 5 or 6 ingredient recipe that I make all the time. It's super popular on my channel, and you should definitely check that one out. Number 2, we've got my favorite of all time, gluten-free sprouted rolled oats. The brand is called 1 Degree. I've been buying their oats from Costco for eons and eons, and I'm an oatmeal-y kind of girl. I eat my morning oatmeal practically every day of my life, but I also like to sometimes make my own granolas. I am known to make overnight oats every now and then. I have so many overnight oats recipes on my YouTube channel and on my blog. Make sure you check them out below. I'll link a few of my favorites down there. An interesting thing about sprouted oats is that when they're sprouted, they actually have a little bit more protein and they're a little bit more nutritious than their non-sprouted counterparts. Little fun factoid for you. We get this granola pretty much every time we go to Costco because it is so good. It's also by the same brand, 1 Degree, the same one that makes the rolled oats. They have the sprouted rolled oats in this granola. They have the biggest granola clusters. They're so crunchy. It's so delicious. It's not too sweet. They use organic cane sugar in it. And honestly, this stuff is like the best. If you just need like a little quick, crunchy nibble, definitely give this stuff a go. I got a bottle of maple syrup. This is just kind of my sweetener of choice for pretty much everything. It's a nice non-refined sweetener that I use for sauces and things just like literally every day. And of course, it's also delicious drizzled over my high protein vegan pancakes, which you guys should take a peek at. We got some PB Fit powdered peanut butter. It's also a great high protein, lower fat alternative to traditional peanut butter. I use it all the time. We got a couple loaves of some nice looking multi-grain sourdough bread. I usually keep one in the freezer, one in the fridge. Now this one's not technically a food item, but it goes in the mouth. I got some probiotics because your girl likes to have a healthy, happy gut. I got a big old bag of some ground flaxseed. Very healthy, high in protein and also some omega-3s, good for your brain. I like to sprinkle it on my oatmeal every morning, but if I'm baking or there's a recipe where I need to use an egg, I make a vegan flax egg by just combining some of the ground flaxseed with water. You stir it, you let it sit for like 5-10 minutes, and you have a thick, gelatinous, like totally eggy mixture that works perfectly in lieu of eggs. So if you're new to plant-based cooking, there's a new hack for you, and you should get some ground flaxseed. Another pantry staple that I always have on hand is some rice. I do like to kind of alternate between brown rice and white rice, and I do have some brown rice on hand already, but I ran out of white rice, so I always like to get this really nice jasmine rice. Now here is a great convenience item that whenever I see it, I buy it. It is this 3-bean chili from Sprague. Oh, it is delicious. It's got these little kind of meaty bits. They're kind of like TVP, and I think they're made from peas. It's really, really good. I'm pretty sure it's got about 14 grams of protein per can. A great, quick, lazy meal. Now these two items here are crackers. And while crackers are maybe kind of considered a little bit of a junky food, honestly, I don't care because they are delicious, and they're made with almonds and sweet potatoes. They're actually pretty darn healthy for you, and they are just, oh my gosh, they're so good. I eat them with hummus. I like to dip them in guacamole. Sometimes I'll just scoop them up with my chili or soup or whatever. They are both such good crackers. And if you have ever tried those almond flour crackers, you know how addictive they are. It's a little dangerous, honestly. Drum roll please for my #1 Costco staple. Boink. We got some organic extra firm tofu. Oh yeah, baby. I buy these boxes of 5 blocks of tofu. And what I love about the stuff that I can get at my Costco is that, one, this tofu is organic, which is great because it's such a good deal. Elsewhere, I pay way more for organic tofu, like $4 to $5 per block. Here, it's like just over $2 when you buy it in these value packs. I have dozens upon dozens of really delicious tofu recipes on my channel and my blog. In fact, I just posted 2 really delicious tofu recipes in this video right here, and I have a whole tofu playlist down here that you can check out if you're new to cooking tofu and you need some inspiration. I got you! If you love healthy, high-protein, plant-based cooking, you should definitely subscribe to Steamy Vegan below if you aren't already. I have over 800 videos on this channel, and I add 2 videos every single week. Whatever you're looking for, I've probably got it here. I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in another video real soon. Ta-ta!